In this problem, we will calculate the limit as x approaches 1 of cube root of x minus 1 over x squared minus 1, which is of course an indeterminate form. So how we will do? This limit is of course equal to limit as x approaches 1. Here we multiply by this number here, cube root of x minus 1 multiplied by cube root of x squared plus cube root of x plus 1. And we'll do the same in the denominator. So here we have x squared minus 1 times cube root of x squared plus cube root of x plus 1. And here we will use the special product a minus b times a minus b times e squared plus ab plus b squared. This product is equal to a cubed minus b cubed. Here you see with a equals cube root of x and b equals 1. So here our limit using this equality, our limit will be equal to, limit as x approaches 1 of here cube root of x cubed using the special product minus 1 cube, and here x squared minus 1 times cube root of x squared plus cube root of x, of course, plus 1, which is of course equal to here our limit x approaches 1 of here this cube will cancel with the cube root, so it's x minus 1 cubed is just 1, and here we have another special product, so it's x squared minus 1 is just x minus 1 times here x plus 1. X squared minus 1 is x minus 1 times x plus 1. Of course, times this term, cube root of x squared plus cube root of x, of course, plus 1. And here you see x minus 1 will cancel. And of course, we will get our limit 1 cancelling x minus 1 over x plus 1, x plus 1 times cube root of x squared, cube root of x squared plus cube root of x, cube root of x, of course, plus 1. Now we will just plug 1 here to get the value of our limit. So our limit is equal to here 1 over here 1 plus 1 plus 1, and here also cube root of 1 is just 1 squared is 1 plus cube root of 1 is just 1 plus also here 1. So you see here 2 and here 3, and 2 times 3 is just 6. So it's equal to 1 over 6. So the value of our limit is 1 over 6. And this, of course, concludes our problem.